You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those three sounds, the two sounds of the letter E in French, bonjour. Let's get into it with different accents. So let's start with the letter E without an accent. It's pronounced E. E. So it's very French sound. E. Let's take an example of word leçon. Leçon. You also have the article le, which is just le. Le. Now if you put an acute accent on the E, it becomes E. So you have to pull your lips a bit back. E. E. An example of word is imbécile. Imbécile. E. Imbécile. Now, finally, let's look at the accent that is the other way around. The grave accent on the letter E becomes E. E. So for this one you have to open your mouth more. E. An example is crème. Crème. So it's not crème, that would be without an accent. It's not crème, that would be with an acute accent. Crème. Alright, so let's summarize. No accent is E. Acute is E. Grave is E. Let's listen carefully to those three in a sequence. E. 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 Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. I hope this was useful. I'll see you soon for more pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.